don't want to see you with Fatima. I mean, she might take you for granted.
Don't worry. Nothing of such will happen.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure.
You be Mumu?
I think you should take a break from work. You're tired. You look so tired and so unkept.
What did he say?
Because of you?
Yes, baby, because of me. I mean, we need time together. I mean, we need to start making babies.
I have a lot of things on the table that need to be cleared.
But they can wait. They can at least wait for us. I mean, for us to even start making babies.
Ọlọ́run ti rẹ̀ sọ gbogbo ẹ̀ ló gbẹ háwọn ni ó gbẹ bọ̀dà tóbi
Fatima.
ọmọ ìyá yín lónìí.
Mo mú lọ síbi iṣẹ́ mo kàn jáde ni.
Abájọ àwọn àǹtí ńkọ́.
Ó wà lókè kókókó lára ọ̀tá ilé.
Ẹ dákun ṣe ìyàwó yín lọ ta.
Ìyàwó mi lọ ta èmi nìbọn.
Ẹ̀yin nìbọn ọ̀rẹ́ kò burú èmi mọ̀ ti gbọ́ o.
Mo fẹ́ máa lọ sókè ó ti rẹ̀ mí.
Ọ̀rẹ́
bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Mo mú ẹ mẹ́bàá mọ̀ pé kèrè rẹ̀ bọ̀ yóò sì rẹ̀ yìí.
Wo Fatima kò sí nǹkan tí kò ń rẹ̀.
Kọ̀tàn ní ìsìn ẹ wo mo mú yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ ní ìbọn lẹ́yìn kọ́dà kò sí láburú ẹ káàbọ̀ o.
Toby, where are you coming from?
You be Mumu?
Where am I coming from?
You heard me.
Didn't I tell you I was going to the mall? And why are you talking as if I was away for years?
Who was that you were talking to outside?
Who else if not our neighbor, Fatima?
Your neighbor, not mine. I mean, your connection with that girl is worrisome.
You say, I like I didn't hear that.
I hate to see both of you together.
Hate is a strong word. What exactly are you worried about?
Everything, Toby. Your closeness with her and your late night discussions.
See, you amaze me at times. Don't you know you're one precious, priceless gift that I cannot trade for anything? Do you still need anyone to validate that you are my assurance?
But everybody knows that assurance does not exist anymore. Toby, you're working out on me, Toby!
Ibi tó bá tún kù sí ní ká ẹ tún sọ. Táyé, ibi tó bá tún kù sí ní ká ẹ tún sọ. Àyìnkẹ́ mo gbóúnjẹ fẹ́gbẹ́ Fatima, mo tún gbà wó bá o. Ibi tó bá tún kù sí ní ká ẹ tún sọ. Ibi bá tún kù sí náà mo fẹ́ sọ báyìí o. A kàn tọ́gbùrẹ́ ni, kí láì ṣe? Ẹ wò ó. Ara kí láì ṣe kankan wà láì. Àǹtí sọ́mọ́ ní òforíkò, kò sí nǹkan kan tá ṣe. Táyé when I dey suffer o, I no see nobody. Hey, when I dey struggle o, na me and my mother. Alai kò sí màmí ń bí. When I dey enjoy o, ẹ má kígbe pé o, ògùn rè. Na juju o, ògùn rè. Ògùn rè o.
Do not compare yourself with anyone.
Yes? Call me!
Auntie Sama.
Fatima, what are you doing in my house?
Auntie Sama. Auntie Sama.
What kind of a joke is this?
Hello, darling. Èmi náà mọ̀ pé mo na tiki ẹ kú kalẹ̀. Bọ̀dá Tóbi. Ẹ wò, ṣé kọ́kọ́rọ́ wọn náà. Ṣé rí pé mo ti ń jọ yín. Èmi ti ń jọ yín. Ẹ wá mọ̀ nǹkan tí ogbende àì ẹ̀fọ́ mo fẹ́ rò. Àwọn nǹkan ọbẹ̀ ni mo wá sọ́dọ̀ yín. Bí irú àbí àwọn nǹkan tí ẹdún mo rò yín pé ẹ lé nírú alákọ̀wé lẹ́yìn. Yín tí ó tún kù náà ni pé bí mọ́gí, iyọ̀ àti bí àwọn èdè kéékèèké o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá rí ìyàn kó fún mi. Kẹ́mi náà ó pọ̀pọ̀ mọ́ ẹ̀fọ́ àbí Bọ̀dá Tóbi gbogbo rẹ̀ wà látàpapọ̀.
Toby, what is he saying? I mean, the only thing I can hear is Maggie. And I'm sure there are other things down her sleeves.
Shiro, calm down. She's only asking for seasoning cube. And she's also asking for crumbs, locust beans, or possibly we have salt to spice up her soup.
Ẹ wo ìyá yẹn ẹ gbà sùlùpù yẹn ni òní èmi náà sọ sùlùpù kì í ṣe ọbẹ̀ papọ̀.
Really? And it's very glaring that this place is the marketplace.
She's your neighbor.
Toby, your neighbor, not mine.
So
she's not asking for too much.
Ẹ wo mọ́ọ̀sì gangan ni gbogbo dáwà mẹ́ mo fẹ́ mọ́ọ̀sì púpọ̀ mọ́ọ̀sì. Auntie Summer.
You better start dealing with this thing because I don't understand.
What is it that you don't understand?
I mean, your secret will soon be out.
What secret? Fatima.
I say, Brother Toby. Bàbá Toby, ẹ wo ẹsẹ̀ mo dúpẹ́ òkè ní ọwọ́ àfúnni gbé. Bàbá ń dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn òkè lẹ́ẹ̀mọ́ lọ. Wà lọ́dọ̀ èèyàn bá dákẹ́ dára rẹ̀ ó bá dákẹ́. Ọlọ́dọ̀ ẹ wo ẹsẹ̀ ayé lè bọ́ jẹ kú.
Toby, this is not happening. Toby, you gave Fatima all that money. Okay, what about the money I asked for?
I thought I told you I will give it to you next week.
No, I don't want next week. I want the money now. I mean, now. I'm here.
I don't have it now. It will be handed over to you as soon as I have it.
Oh, really? Yes. 100,000 naira shouldn't be a big deal for a flirt and a cheat like you.
Did you just call me a flirt and a cheat?
Yes, Toby, that's what you are. You are a cheat and a flirt, a pathetic one for that matter.
Oh, this is your best. I won't allow you to get on my nerves.
A shameless man. You don't have shame at all. You don't even see those big girls to flirt with. You are there like crazily about wants to be local champion.
What is it about you? What is it about you?
Everything about Fatima. Leave Fatima alone. Concentrate on your wife, Chioma. That's what I'm asking for.
Because I rendered her help to her neighbor, and this is all you have to say about it.
Every time I keep correcting you that she's not my neighbor. She's our neighbor.
Oh.
Yay! Ayé mi o. Ayé ni ọmọ ni ó jẹ kú. Gbogbo rẹ̀ ló ga gangan. Bọ̀dà Tóbi wò. Òkè ni ẹmu rẹ̀ ọmọ rú sí. Òkè lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀ ọmọ lọ. Jẹ́ bóyá wọ́n ní. Ó lè rí àpọ̀nlé. Bóyá ó pè sí. Ó lè rí àpọ̀nlé. Ó ní síù. Bàbá rẹ̀ sí kíá kàn. Mo kọ́kọ́ bù yìí kí n kọ́kọ́ tẹ́ra mi lọ́rùn. Nígbà bá jẹ́ ìbù yìí, ń tó wá rẹ̀ kọ́ mi. Ń bu ọbẹ̀ mi. Ń jẹ́ orí mi tẹ́ra mi lọ́rùn lónìí. Bájá yóò rí mi, ń mọ̀ ẹ̀yìn ọ̀la o. Fatima, jágbàjàgbà fún lẹ́pìn tọrọ ẹgbọ̀n lẹ́rú dédé rẹ̀.